Hi guys, welcome to Avarese's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Amagwinya or fat cooks or puff, whatever you want to call it. So to make the dough, I'm going to be using 2 cups of flour, 7 grams of active dried yeast, 150 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a cup and a half of water.
I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Now I'm going to go ahead and mix that through until we get a nice and smooth batter. Then I'm going to cover it with cling film and allow it to rest until it doubles in size.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that
Now when the dough has doubled in size, you want to go ahead and remove the air. I'm using my hand, but you can also just use your spoon or spatula. At this point, you want to make sure that you've preheated your oil on a medium heat, and you can go ahead and start frying the dough. I'm using a measuring spoon that I've dipped in some oil just to make things a little bit easier. Now go ahead and fry your puff until it is nice and golden. If you like it a bit sweeter, you can go ahead and coat it in some sugar while it is still hot.
All the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
Just look at how good these look. I cannot wait to dig in. If you do get to try this recipe, I would love to see your pictures, so make sure you come back and drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to check them out. For more delicious recipes, please follow Avarese's Kitchen.